Hi, welcome to the Unilock Pedestal Kit unboxing. So new for 2021 is a pedestal kit that we have that contains all the different pedestal sizes that we offer for roof applications. And what really makes this nice is that anyone that's going to be working with pedestals on a regular basis, that's selling specifiers, contractors, or dealers, this kit will have all those different parts in there so you can go out to job sites, meet with clients, explain to them how it works, and then leave behind whichever size they need for their particular project. So they're not for everyone, I just want to make that clear. We're happy to give you any of the pedestal sizes you need to use for samples or submittals, but the kits are really for use for those people who are doing them on a regular basis. So what's inside the box? Let's open this up and take a quick look. Now there is multiple series in the box, so let's first take a look at our P series. So this is a small adjustable pedestal. Then we have the kind of the medium duty. This is for more residential type applications. And then we get into our larger commercial type pedestals. There are three sizes. We have a small. This is what we call our M series. This is the M2. And then the large one is the M3. Now these also have self-leveling tops for both the residential medium size that snap into place, as well as the large pedestal. These also will snap into place. And this is nice because this will help compensate for any kind of slopes and help level that pedestal slab system out. In addition, we also have a bottom slope corrector, and by spinning these tabs around, you can adjust for the slope of the roof line. This also will snap into place. And then for the large M3 pedestal, we also have an extension for it. And this will add about 8 inches to the length of the pedestal, so you can get for much taller cavity height. All the pedestals will have a spacer that comes with it, and these will snap right into place here onto the top of the pedestal. That will allow you to provide proper spacing for your slab systems. And then they all come with additional accessory for the rubber shim that can fit on top of the pedestal. This will help dampen the sound and also rise up the slab if one of them is a little bit off on sizes. So that's all we have today for this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.